Once again this week, I'm offering some reflections that come from the United States Conference of Catholic Bishops having to do with the Eucharist and how we should respond to the Eucharist. Today's reflection is entitled, "The Eucharist Challenges Us to Recognize and Confront Structures of Sin." The risen Christ in the Eucharist acts as a compelling force for inner renewal, an inspiration to change the structures of sin in which individuals, communities, and at times entire peoples are entangled. That quote was from Pope John Paul II. These structures include racism, violence, injustice, poverty, exploitation, and all other systemic degradation of human life or dignity. As Pope Benedict XVI reminds us, our fraternal communion in the Eucharist leads to a determination to transform unjust structures and to restore respect for the dignity of all men and women created in God's image and likeness. One of the key words in this reflection is structures. Sinful structures refer to systems, laws, policies, everyday practices that are sinful. And they are sinful because they make people less human. These practices, these systems dehumanize not only those who are their target, but also those who practice them. And so the Eucharist calls us to name those sinful structures, both in the world outside us and within ourselves, to name it, to call it out, and then to work to change it, because there is no room for violence or prejudice or racism or discrimination in the reign of God.